The following video was created by Somfy and is brought to you by Florida Automated Shade and FS Blinds. Hello and welcome to this guide for the initial programming of Somfy RTS motors and controllers. These instructions are suitable for all Somfy RTS controls and are intended for programming the Somfy motors listed here. Please be aware that Somfy motors ship in factory mode without set limits or programmed controls. Before you begin, verify that the motorized shade is installed in a window and power is connected only to the motor being programmed. If multiple motors are connected and powered on the same circuit, you should contact an electrician. Please keep in mind that the motor will exit programming mode and the shade will jog after 2.5 minutes of inactivity. If that happens, start from the beginning and repeat the process. Press and hold the up and down button simultaneously to enter program mode. The shade will jog up and down. Next, make sure the up button opens the shade and down button closes it. This will ensure all controls function properly. Here's how to verify the direction of operation. Press and hold the down button. If the shade goes up, you must reverse the direction to reverse direction. Press and hold the My button until the shade jogs to confirm proper direction. Press and hold the down button again. If the shade moves downward, then proceed to the next step too. Press and hold the up button to bring the shade to the desired upper limit position. Press and hold the My and down button simultaneously and release them. When the shade starts to move, briefly press the My button to stop the shade when the desired lower limit is reached. If needed, use the up or down button to fine-tune the limit position. Now press and hold the My and up button simultaneously and release them. When the shade starts to move, the shade will return to the previously set upper limit unless it is stopped. Press and hold the My button to confirm your limit settings. The shade will jog to complete programming. Briefly press the program button on the back of the controller with a pen or other pointed tool. The shade will jog briefly to indicate it is no longer in program mode. The shade is now programmed and in user mode, ready for your customers to use and enjoy. Press the up or down button to operate the shade. For more information about Somfy products, visit floridaautomatedshade.com. To learn about our Somfy motorized window treatments, visit fsblinds.com. And you can find all Somfy technical information at fslibrary.com.